Hi everyone! So you might be wondering, what is EduKaji? Brought to you by Uni Enroll, EduKaji is an online website for your SPM revision. It is a question bank filled with videos to guide you through past year SPM trial papers. Learn from experienced teachers as they teach you how to use the latest teknik menjawab skills to answer exam questions. Did I mention that all the videos are completely free? Here is how you can use EduKaji to maximize your revision. First, practice questions by chapter. Pick any chapter you want to study and you can see a list of all the questions from that chapter across all our videos. This method is perfect for students looking to focus their practice time on their weak chapters. Start by choosing your grade level at the top. Take note, videos in English will be listed under the Form 4 and Form 5 tabs, while BM videos will be under Tingkatan 4 and Tingkatan 5 tabs. After deciding what grade level you want to cover, choose the chapter or subtopic. Let's take Maths Form 4 Chapter 2 as an example. When you click on the chapter name, a list of all the questions from exam papers from Chapter 2 Quadratic Functions will appear. Click on any of the timestamps and you will be directed to the video. Continuous practice throughout the year is encouraged as students can quickly apply their knowledge to these trial questions as they learn new chapters in school. Second, students who want to practice the full paper can search for questions by year. This is for the students who want to get used to doing the whole paper and use the video guides to brush up on their skills. When you go to the subject page, just click on the year, download the paper you want to study, and then hit the watch button. Every video on EduKaji has timestamps. If you want to skip to a different question, just look for the question on the list. Click on the timestamp and you will jump to that spot in the video. Notice how each timestamp also shows which chapter or subchapter that the question is related to. To see more questions under this topic, simply click on the chapter tag to see a full list of the related question. Now that we have covered all our special features, here is how you can sign up to watch our videos. Go to our website edukaji.my, click on register for SPM. Sign up with your email address or Google account. Follow the instructions to fill in the form until the end. And you're done! Enjoy free past year videos today!